tight. Take my heart, hold it tight. It's your love. You know I got to be.
Alright guys, so this is how a hair comes. It comes in their personalized Lickville hair bag, and then when you pull the hair out, it comes in a storage bag along with some other products. So I'm going to show you guys here what comes in the bag. And again, this is 22 inches. So first we have our wig cap. And this is the hair straight out the pack. It does come with 3 clips in the inside, and it is a 13x4 frontal. And what I'm going to do before I color the hair is I'm going to first go in with some Got To Be Free spray, or after I spray myself. But I'm going to spray the wig with some Got To Be Free spray. And then I learned a trick to put some Vaseline on the lace so that way it does not stain. We'll be going in with a Kiss hair dye in the color Cinnamon. And I'm going to use a transparent bowl or container because I want to be able to see the mixture, because when you do the watercolor method, if you don't mix the hair dye good, there's going to be sections, you see like those dark spots. If you don't mix that in good, you're going to have those spots on the wig and it's going to be more blotty. So I want to make sure that I blend this out correctly. Alright, so to begin, I'm going to start dipping in the hair, and I'm going to go in very slow and dip the hair in because you don't want to submerge the wig into the dye, because if so, then there's going to be certain areas that may be more saturated than others. And when you look at the final look of the wig, there was the beginning of the lace that really got more of the dye. I ended up having to dye my hair like twice, but overall I still like the way the color turned out on this unit. So I'm just going to show you guys here how I do the watercolor method and how I came out with that color.
Thank you.